welcome back to the channel. You join me here tonight on the road, and we are heading out tonight. As a Friday night. We are heading out to go see some owls. And specifically, we are trying to go see a barn owl nest. This is a nest I visited last summer and had success. From what I hear, they are back and there could possibly be some owlets. So I am heading in that direction to go try to find these barn owls tonight. So anyways, that's the plan. Good weather tonight. It's a beautiful day. So yeah, I will update again once we get up there. All right, well, I am up here now, and I'm a little early. These barn owls really don't get active until like the sun goes down. So it can be pretty tough shooting conditions, but occasionally they'll be in some of the trees, like outside the nest or the den, the burrow, whatever it is in the side of this bank. And so I think I'm gonna go out and walk around and see if I can maybe see one a little bit early. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. You can see him moving back in there. Come on, why don't you come out and just have a little peek? Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous out tonight, so I am all set up. I think as I did a little pan there, you can see what we have left in the sun. I am focused in on the owl hole, and I can already see them sitting in there by just zooming in. So yeah, just gotta wait for the sun to go down a little bit, and we'll see when they come out and what we got. So I'm excited, and I found a good spot, so I'm ready to go. See me, but it's happening. Okay, well, there we go. I just got done photographing the barn owls, and yeah, it was pretty good. Patience, see, weakness, patience. Man, they didn't come out until it was pretty much dark, and they were very, very cautious before they came out. And finally, two of them came out, and I rolled some video that I could get with the light. And then I just went on stills. Again, I did what I did last year, where to avoid getting like shake in the camera shot, I just put my camera, I've got like a good focus point right on the like front of the den where they were coming out, or the nest, and I just put my camera in intervalometer mode and just hit go. And then that way I wasn't touching the camera, shaking the lens, because I was all the way in at 600. So any little slight movement, it's gonna make the image blurry because we're just so dark. And but yeah, I shot on manual mode with auto ISO. And yeah, I mean, obviously I won't know until I get home, but there were 4 of them out sitting out in front of the cave at a time, and then they were flying around. And yeah, it's so awesome, dude. I love owls so much. There's just nothing like being out by yourself photographing just you and owls. It's awesome. So yeah, a good night. And I think I avoided getting eaten by too many mosquitoes. So I had spray, I had my Thermacell running, and yeah, so I think we're good there. And now it's just a nice drive home. So yeah, it's pretty good tonight. So I'm happy.